Hello and welcome to Jay's Helpful Videos. Today I'm going to be putting some outdoor curtains up on my outdoor gazebo. To do that, I purchased a couple of pieces of PVC pipe. The length of the gazebo is about 15 feet. These only come in 10-foot lengths, but that works out fine. I'm going to cut it right in the middle. I'm going to put a PVC connector to hold the two ends together. On the ends, I'm going to use these closet brackets to hold them in place on each side, and then in the middle to support the weight I'm going to use a towel hook. I'm going to cut the top of this off just to support the weight. You'll see that that sits real nicely there. And I also got a couple of curtains, outdoor curtains, which we purchased online. So I'm going to put it all together and show you what it looks like when it's done. Thanks. Okay, you can see I have the curtains in place. The PVC rod is installed. I put a bracket in the center to hold the center weight, but what I found, it was still sagging a little bit, so I ended up having to put a bracket about 10 inches off of each side to take the weight so that this way it wouldn't sag. And it worked out well. Hanging nice and straight, nice and easy to do. Gives us the shade we need for the afternoon sun. I hope you liked the video. Please take time to like and subscribe.